y'all, it's your girl Bree, and I'm back with another video. So today on the video, I don't know what that was. Anyways, has that ever happened to you guys? You just talk and you just randomly do different voices. Anyways, I bought the Blue Blood palette, so I thought that's why my face is done and my eyes aren't done. Well, also no highlights, so I'm just out here flat. I just have foundation, bronzer, blush, and my eyebrows on, and that's it. It might look a little patchy up here. I don't know how it's gonna look on camera because I still had some, I was trying to be cute for y'all and like slick my baby hairs down, and I got gel on my forehead and like it dried and I didn't see it until after I put on the foundation. So it is what it is at this point. Do y'all like my hair? Anyways, I thought that we could do an eye look. I did a Facebook Live. If you guys are really not on Facebook, so I mean, I really don't think Facebook is a place for you guys to be for me, but I might try to do like lives on here now that I got a better phone with better quality. But I did an eye look on my Facebook Live, so I think I'm just gonna do that same eye look today. So some of the colors in this palette have been touched and disrupted, and you'll be able to tell. But here's how it looks. See, I've used like this shade here, I've used that shade, I've used these shades, I think I might have used that shade. So a couple of these shades have been touched. Other than that, they have not been swatched, and I don't know if I'm gonna do swatches for you guys. If I do swatches, they'll be probably inserted like right here while I'm talking, so we'll see together if I decide to do them. And if I do them, it'll be after this video. I just wanted to get an eye look out for you guys because the last two or three palettes of his that I have released, I did buy, but I never did a video on them. So we're just going to jump straight into it. My eyes have already been primed with concealer and set with some RCMA translucent powder. I am going to bake because I did notice when I was using this palette before that there is definitely some fallout. So I'm just going to bake with that same RCMA powder. And I also got the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brushes, so we're going to be using some of those brushes today. That's your guys' decision if you want to do that or not. I'm just going to build this up a little bit. After this, I'm going to eat because I'm starving. This shade. I'm not the biggest fan of blues, but right now, like with the mint in my hair and everything, I'm all for it right now. I'm gonna take a mixture of I'm Cold and Blue Blood. So I'm just gonna do like a once in here and like that. And I'm gonna put that still diffused, but a little bit under this minty color, and also in the outer corner. And this is just going to bring a little bit more blue to the party. A little bit more blue. Because we like the blues. Yeah, so when I did this Facebook Live and I opened it up, I didn't know where I was going with this. But what I created and what was the end result, I was very happy with. Just don't like that. So these have a little bit of fallout. I don't know if you guys can see like right here. There's a little bit. But it's nothing too bad yet. When I get in with the darker blue though, you'll see like just how crazy it was. And now I'm just gonna take a little bit more minty and put it up here. just to sort of blend all of these things together. I don't know what's going on with my eyebrows. I went to the eyebrow place and she messed up my eyebrows, and like I tried to shade them into what I wanted them to be, and I don't know what happened. So I'm just doing this light, like my hand's all the way back here for light pressure. This is the JH34. It is a smaller blending brush compared to the one that we just used. I'm going to take Blue Monday, which is right here. It's actually more like a purpley color, like a violet color. I'm going to take this color and I might blend it out with some more blue blood. We'll see. But first I'm going to go in with Blue Monday and outer V area. Okay, are we looking good? We're gonna go in with this really tiny brush. This is the Morphe JH40, and it's just this little tiny taper blending brush. And we're gonna take this navy blue in the palette here called Undertaker. It's right here. I know it's like up, this palette's like upside down. I should just show you guys like this, but it's this color right here. And I'm really just going to focus this on the outer V and bring it in a little bit on the crease, but not going super crazy with it. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but that happened the first time also. So we're just going to build up my outer V and then drag it along. Do you see how much darker it looks now? So I'm going to cut the crease. I'm not going to show it because it makes this video super long. You guys have seen me cut my crease a billion times. So I'm going to cut it and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I did the other eye off camera. We're going to go in first with Crystal Flesh. This rose goldy pink shade right here of my eye. And blend it out towards the outer portion. Okay, and now I'm going to take the first shade called Cullinan. It's this white shimmery shade here. I'm going to take that on the Morphe JH38 brush, which is like a blending brush. Spray it again. I completely missed my brush and I sprayed my mirror. That's kind of funny. And I'm going to put this in the inner third, like in the inner corner also. So like here, and then also blending it out into there. And then just take that same JH41 brush with some more Crystal Flesh and blend that. And I'm going to go in with this blue glittery one called Ocean Ice right here and put that on my outer third of the eye. So this is so loosely, both of these shades are so loosely pressed, it just crumbles. And the whole point of this is just to like blend it to the blue. To the outer corner area. And then just kind of going back and forth between Crystal Flesh and Ocean Ice. To get that blend really nice. And then just to clean up this cut edge area, I'm going to take this very small liner brush. This is the Morphe 217. It's very small. I'm going to take a mixture of Blue Monday and Undertaker. And I'm just going to really define this area so it looks more like a line of demarcation. Not too crazy, but just enough to where it looks like somebody cleaned this up, or like, you know, it got really cut, because I kind of like that look a little bit, and kind of blend it out in little circles. And then I'm going to take some more Undertaker on that GH40 brush and go back to darkening up this area and blending that kind of out a little bit. Color in and put it on my brow bone. And go over that using the Northern Lights palette. When I open this up, we're going to use this one, Alaskan Ice. It has a blue shift to it. Well, my hands are super dirty, so you probably can't really tell, but it has a blue shift to it. I'm going to use that same brush and put that still like right here. And you can really see that. Yeah, I can really see that blue come through. All right, I'm gonna dust off my bake and we'll go to the under eye. All right, for the lower lash line, okay, I don't care if my inner corners of these lashes are coming up, because at this point, like, I've just had enough. So this JH42 brush, and I'm gonna go in with Blue Monday, and I'm gonna put that in my lower lash line. I'm just gonna stop it right there. Zoom you guys in so you can just see this eye, because the other one is watering. And then we're going to take a small blending brush. This one is BH Cosmetics 105, and I'm gonna go back in with Blue Blood and blend this out. A little bit of that shimmery ocean ice thing, and just put it close to the water. Not too close. I want to get like glitter in my eye, you know. I'm gonna do a little mascara. The L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. When I did my Facebook Live, I used this liner from Morphe called Vitamin C in my waterline. These liners, I do not recommend buying these. They dry out so fast. My liner is so dry. And it was dry the last time I tried to use it too. So I want you guys to see how dry this is. Look at that. It's literally so dry. That's like all the blue I can get on my eye. So, because this liner is literally the driest, trashiest liner. So please, don't get these Morphe liners. They dry out super fast. It's super annoying to have to deal with it. So, it is what it is. Okay, so this is my eye look using the Blue Blood palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if you liked my look. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!